Rossi on row 3. He will not be happy with himself. Taka Nakagami. The Michelin Australian Motorcycle Grand Prix is underway. 27 laps, 74. Unreal. Yes.
Milo Petrucci has lost out on victory agonisingly on a couple of occasions before and has come out second best. What is he thinking right now? He's leading this Grand Prix with 1.5 laps remaining, but he must know in the back of his head this ain't over. Not with Bobby and Marquez behind him.
He knows the Alamo's coming. He is never going to be in a better position though than this to win the Italian Grand Prix. His first as a factory Ducati rider. He's in first position as they drop down into Scarpa-Ria for the penultimate time. He's still standing firm against Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez, you know the kitchen sink's coming from the Repsol Honda man. He would love nothing more than to beat Ducati in their homeland, in front of the Ducati Grandstand at Correntino. The Ducatisti are going to be going wild in about 2 minutes' time if it's Petrucci or Dovizioso that prevails.
This is shaping up to be a mammoth final lap in Mugello. We're on board with Marquez. Dobby is trying to shake this one up for a move into turn 1 on the final lap, but Marquez has got some speed in that final corner and he doesn't want to be forgotten about here either. We begin the final lap of the Italian Grand Prix and they are going to be
Andrea Dovizioso, oh he's down! Well, talk about the commentator's curse. Andrea Dovizioso, that dig into the time that they'd had badly damaged from an earlier crash. Now whether it's turn 5 again,
yeah, it was turn 5 when he had his second crash.
4 crashes in
now into Zafelli, the left-hander.
Petrucci half a lap away from a famous, fantastic, unforgettable first victory in MotoGP here in Mugello. Marquez and Dovizioso, they are piling under pressure up into Arrabbiata 2 for the final time. It's still Petrucci.
Dobby's got to pounce, he's got to pounce. Is he going to make it into here? No. Marquez is having a look as well. Look at this. Is he going to pull off the move here? No. Dobby's getting close as well. We're entering the final sector shortly.
Well, it's going to be all about surely a move into the final corner. Puccini, can Marquez get it lined up? Can he nail Biondetti 1 and 2? Through Correntino for the final time. And Danilo Petrucci now just 3 corners away from his first Grand Prix victory. Can he hop over to Puccini? Can he hop?
Marquez in third. Someone from the second row got a good launch as well. But here comes Jorge Lorenzo. Has he done enough? Marquez up to second. In fact, he goes into the front. Lorenzo's gone down at turn 1.
He's high-sided at the first corner. What a disaster for Jorge Lorenzo. Yeah, as soon as he tipped left, turn 4 Beckett's and the there you go.
The Abbey curve, isn't it? Yeah.
And the 10
Free abreast by the looks of things, going into turn 1.
Marquez gets the 2 bike slipstream on the factory Honda. Marc Marquez hits the front here in Mugello. Has he timed this to absolute perfection? Asking major questions. The 2 Ducatis, all 3 of them almost have contact. Petrucci won the title line, picked up the Dovizioso, he picked up Marc Marquez, and after all that, Petrucci still leads.
Petrucci leads, but Marquez is making shapes. He's trying to find a way through on the number 9. Is Rins still in this one because of all what's just happened into turn 1? They flick right. Petrucci, Marquez, Dobby, Rins. Dobby will not want to finish third here. Oh, I thought he was going to have a look there into Zafelli. It's Casanova, sorry. This is shaping.